Hello traders, good afternoon. Welcome back to this session of looking at what the market did today as of September 26, 2024 and how we traded it. I will be going over the concepts of leg counting in a little bit of details. So stick to the video till the end for the complete explanation. As always, if you're liking the content of these videos, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and click on the notification icon. Let us now get to the chart. So in the morning, I was actually looking at the 465-minute chart here, right? And in the 465-minute, these two bars were really, really strong. And what has been my experience earlier is that if the 6 o'clock to the 1 o'clock bar and the 1 o'clock to the 9:30 bar, if they are really big, then most of the time we get a very good pullback on the New York session. The pullback stays pretty strong, and then we see that if we are getting a reversal. So if you look at these two bars here and then you look at this bar, this has been a very good pullback after these two bars. After this, if you look at these two bars, you will see that again we had a very big drop in the NYC session, and then we had this one. Today we had the exact same experience. So let us now get back to the chart and see how we traded it. We actually took some trades yesterday night as well. My entry was at the 5784 area, right above this particular candle around 6:30 in the evening, and I was actually holding it. My first exit was at 5800. My next exit was at 5818, and then I was holding on to my runner to see if we could get to the measured move targets of at least 5830 and then to the 5836 area. But since I saw those two strong candles on the 465-minute chart, at that point of time, what I decided was it is time to come out of the trade because mostly the market will pull back. So after that, when we were looking at the 5-minute chart on the ETH, we were seeing that we had this kind of a wedge here. This was a nice wedge. And right after that, we got this first entry short and we got this second entry short. I did not enter here because this was still above the EMA, but then we got this strong bar below the EMA and I shorted right at the 930 tick. And once I shorted here, my target was at this area, which was the first bull flag that we had. So as soon as we came here, because we already had a bullish context, we did not know how far it will go. As soon as we came down here, I took out all my contracts from that particular trade. Now, if you see here what happened, if I look at the RTH chart, after this new high got created on this particular candle, this was the first reversal attempt. This was the second reversal attempt on this bar number 4. Bar number 7 was the third reversal attempt. That was the news bar at 10 o'clock. And then we had the fourth reversal attempt at bar number 10, and the fourth reversal attempt failed miserably. And then we had two strong bars below the fourth reversal attempt, right? But since there was this wedge created, we did not take any short trades right here. And then if you see, we had the strong reversal to the upside, but that took us right to the edge of the channel on the top, as well as the high of the fourth reversal. And since we did not close above the fourth reversal candle, I was thinking that, okay, since we have this leg down, we can actually have a couple of more legs down to the downside, and then we have to start recounting. As soon as this leg came below this fourth reversal attempt, we already started recounting. This was the first reversal attempt, and we shorted right at the edge of this channel. And then we held on. I took off some profit at 5800, held on to my runners. I was looking at the 5790 area at this point of time, and we came out at the 5790 area again. Also, on top of that, you will also see that once we entered here, this actually gave us 20 points trade. So that was a very good profit taking target, and we took all the profits out of there. So at this point of time, we had this trend line, we had this trend line. So now this trend line, which was the wedge line at the top, has now become the support line, right? So after dropping below this fourth attempt to reversal, this was again the first attempt to reverse. This was the second attempt to reverse. This was the third attempt to reverse. And this was the fourth attempt to reverse. But I did not want to enter long after the strong channel down. So what I did was I calculated the measured move that this market was going to get. Right? So based on these two candles, this was the measured move that this market was expecting. As the price came up here, I took a short here as soon as candle number 30 closed. And then I was thinking that this will actually take us a couple of more legs down. We can, since this was the first break of the channel, we can actually have a lower low. After this new high got created, we again had the first reversal attempt, we had the second reversal attempt, we had the third reversal attempt, we had the fourth reversal attempt. And when we were at this candle number 43, my stop loss was above candle number 46, but I was ready to come out of the trade if any of the candles closed above the 20 EMA. And it did not. It got rejected at the 20 EMA once again. I sold one more contract below bar number 44. My first exit was at 82. That was a target. And then I was holding on to my runner with the expectation of coming down to 73. But when the price bounced from here and we got above the close of yesterday again, I came out of all my contracts at 57.86. Now, this was another nice climb to the upside. I did not enter any of these trades here. I was waiting to see if this was strong enough, and if we start getting some reversal attempts at that point of time, I can buy on top of that. So I saw bar number 54, I saw the double top, and I put a buy stop order above the bar number 54 and 55. My target was back to this box. From here, we started at 97 and we came out at the 07 area. After that, we entered a trading range here, and if you see, this was the range of the trading range from 99203. So based on that, I was thinking that since we are holding this trading range above the EMA, so this is a tight trading range above the EMA. So if we are able to push it up, the price should get us back to the 07.75 line. When this particular 76 candle happened and the 77 candle happened, and none of them, we had actually 5 consecutive bear bars here. We had 2 legs built into this, but none of the candles had a convincing close below the 20 EMA. So I thought of scalping this, and I went long right above bar number 76, and we got this measured move target to the top. So those were the trades that we had today. The bar counting and the leg counting actually helped out a lot. I will be coming out with a detailed video for leg counting over the weekend, so stay tuned for that. In the description below, you will also find the link to our free Discord server as well as our Facebook page, and you are very welcome to join there. And I will be back in the evening with the expectations for tomorrow and the support and resistance that we have for tomorrow. This is where I will end this video, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Have a great rest of the afternoon. Bye.